So, you've signed up for this bike ride somewhere in the United States, West Coast, cross country, down in Florida. So, what's next? People are going to ask you, what is the Fuller Centre? What's this bike ride all about? And, where does my money go? Why should I sponsor this guy or this woman or person? What's it all about? So, I'm just walking past at the moment, and I'm just going to grab Ryan, who is the guy behind all this. So here he is.
Oh,
Ryan,
hey, Andy.
So can you tell us who you are, what the Fuller Centre is about, and where people's money might be going, what the money's going towards?
Okay, sure. My name is Ryan Ifiola. I created this bike adventure with the Fuller Center for Housing. But the Fuller Center for Housing is a nonprofit Christian ministry organization that builds and repairs homes with all people in need. We do it in partnership together, so we always give families a chance to pay it forward. We never charge interest or make a profit, but we allow them to bless the next family. And we're doing that with very grassroots efforts. So we have local Fuller Centers in about 90 locations around the United States and in 20 countries globally around the world as well. So the funds that all of these riders are raising are going to make a big impact in places all around the globe.
Fantastic. So to hear that big impact, your money will change lives. So thank you. And now we've got some miles to do. Let's crack on. Thank you, Ryan.
Well, thank you.
Cheers.